Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you.
I seldom write reviews, but our experience today with PR Plumbing deserves being shared. The young man, Thomas, that came to our rescue was polite, knowledgeable, thorough, and we greatly appreciated him. He did a great job under very stressful circumstances. We had multiple leaks in our water line and a vaulted ceiling about 18 inches high. Thomas worked at it from both directions until he had repaired every leak, explaining what and why for each step. I highly recommend PR Plumbing and thank Thomas for the great job he did.
One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking with you.